I'm going to combine two videos into one. First of all, I would like to justify stem cell healing and life longevity and the life expectancy. I think it is possible with genetics and not only genetics, but biochemical modification to produce stem cells and keep a person's body in cycle. The other thing I want to talk about is positive and negative feedback loops in medicine, or in general. Society creates positive and negative feedback loops so that they can sell you things. You don't know it, but if society stood still, this is what they think, that if society stood still, they would lose their power. And people would begin to see that they were absolutely free, that they could do anything they needed to do. And the government of lots of different kinds of people don't want you to do that. In medicine, positive negative feedback loop, a negative feedback loop is when something happens to your body that causes you to create a negative subtractive reaction, okay, or interaction. And then the positive feedback loop is when things continue to grow and grow and grow and get worse and worse and worse. That creates change in a positive forward. Okay, so basically a negative feedback loop is the result of an end, where it stops because of a reaction's change that causes the assistance of the cause of, say, an illness or anything. So what happens is it builds up until a negative feedback loop builds up until it becomes negative, and then it changes the condition so that it can cure it. A positive feedback loop is negatively bad and not necessarily a good thing, because it keeps increasing. It's positive, 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 positive. It keeps getting worse. And that's what society tries to do to us. You may not see it right now, but when you do the real research, you will find out they want to sell you these loops. They want to sell, but some of these loops we have to have. We have to have a loop in our life to continue living. But they're selling the wrong things. They don't necessarily have the chemical facts or the biological facts. They have